Hi, I'm Dr. Joelle Lieman. I'm a board-certified OBGYN and a fellow of functional medicine. I'd love to welcome you today to Elite MedSpa and Wellness Center. I'm truly excited for you that you've taken this next step toward your optimal health and your wellness. This visit is the beginning of your journey with us, and it starts with understanding what's happening inside your body through comprehensive blood work. I want to take a moment to explain what we're testing and why, so that when we meet for your consultation, you already have a great foundation in what we're going to do. During your lab evaluation, we're looking at key markers that tell us how your major systems are functioning. Instead of focusing on one number, we're actually looking at a whole picture. We'll be checking markers for your blood health, organ and metabolic function, markers of your sugar control, cholesterol, lipids, micronutrient testing, hormone balance, and inflammatory markers. These are the key indicators of your health and longevity. These labs allow us to understand what's happening beneath the surface, identify root causes of symptoms, and find areas where we can help you feel better and function better. Now, I want to clarify something important: the difference between normal and optimal. Traditional labs use what we call a reference range, which is generally taking the entire population and finding the average. It's essentially a bell curve. But average doesn't always mean healthy, and definitely doesn't mean optimal. In functional medicine, we aim for optimal ranges, where your body performs at its best. For example, the reference range for vitamin D is 30 to 100, which is huge. And we know our patients feel their best and do their best between 60 and 80. That's why I don't just look at whether your results fall in the normal range. I look at where you are within that optimal functional range. Another key topic we'll discuss is supplements. They are very misunderstood, and not all brands are equal. I only recommend professional-grade supplements that are third-party tested for purity, potency, and accuracy. To make this easy and safe for you, our practice uses Fullscript, which is an online platform where every company is third-party tested. That means the product you're taking contains exactly what the label says it contains, with no hidden fillers, dyes, or contaminants. So once you become a patient at Elite, you'll receive access to your personalized Fullscript account. So what happens next? Once your lab results are completed, we'll meet for a 1-hour consultation to review everything together. You'll leave with a clear understanding of how your body is functioning and the key areas where we can make improvements. From there, you can take your results back to your primary care doctor, or you can continue your journey with me through one of our health optimization memberships, where we include personalized hormone therapy, thyroid management, peptides, supplements, specialized gut testing, longevity testing, and ongoing lifestyle support. So thank you so much for choosing Elite MedSpa and Wellness Center. You've already taken a powerful step toward feeling better, aging stronger, and living with more vitality and less symptoms that are preventing you from feeling like your best self. I look forward to meeting you and helping you discover what optimal health truly feels like.